Welcome to my channel, guys. Today I would like for you to subscribe, like, and share this video. Now let's get started. Welcome back, guys. Today I'm featuring a 1969 Jaguar E-Type XKE. I'd like to thank the owner of this special vehicle for allowing me to feature it on this channel. What a beautiful color and interior to this vehicle. Do you like it? If so, leave me a comment below. Let's take a look at the interior to this vehicle. Jaguar XKE comes with an inline 6-cylinder dual overhead camshaft engine. And as always, treat the person as you want to be treated and be kind to one another. And we will see you on the next video. Thank you for watching and keep pushing forward.